Whoa, I've rolled for like so many times right now. Can I please just get some rare? Just earlier I got quartz. Like, pretty awesome, right? Looks pretty cool to me. Don't know about you, please comment. If you comment like it's cool or something, I will pin you and check out your channel if you have one. Maybe give you a shout out if you have a channel. More like, right, get it. Go ahead. No. Bro, we need luck. Luck, please. Please, lucky. I need luck. Lucky, please. I need like Eclipse or something. Dunno, Matrix, maybe something like that. Ink, bro, that's trash. We need more luck. I have solar device, but it's not working. Dude, why? Why? Dude, why? Hope you like my sun hat. It's for the TSB, bro, what? It's for the TSB Beach Map. Check out It's Crafty. Go onto my community page already if you haven't. Check it out right now. Bro. Wait, maybe it's like if you get really common auras first, then you get a rare one. That's not what I'm talking about. I want a rare one, not like rare the aura. That's a boring aura. Stop giving me rare. Although I did just start saying, give me rare. But not this rare. Oh, precious. Oh, almost. How are these guys gonna get so lucky? I wanna be as lucky as them, mate. I need the jackpot gauntlet, but I don't have enough jackpot. This hard. Just trying to get this luck is hard. I'm just trying to get luck here, guys. I don't know if we'll succeed or fail. Most likely we'll fail. But if we do it, please subscribe. Or just subscribe anyway. If you like my bonus content. Right, keep going. Another roll. Guys, I don't know if we can do this. Can we do this, please? Do this. Let's do this. Oh, lucky potion might just real quickly do that. Got. I don't know if we're getting natural or something like that. Please, luck. Bruh. I'm not getting any luck. I got scammed by solar device. I really need this. Come on! Come on! I really need to do this. Nothing? Seriously? Seriously? Nothing. It's there. What was that noise? I can't. Bro, how? I'll get luck. Need luck. How are these guys getting really good, like, rolls? We need more luck, guys. Please like for more luck. Like equal luck 1. Oh, this is hard, guys. We got it. What did we do? There we go. Glock. Oh, that's quite good. Yeah, we got luck. We got luck.